Now that the Humvee is home and sitting on my driveway, Dad and I noticed so many things that needed fixing. We inspected the truck and made a list of all damaged items and prioritized them accordingly. The first and easiest task for me was to replace the windshield. In this video, we will do just that. This is a 3-step process and there are essentially 4 major components. The replacement glass, 1 for each side, left and right. The gasket seals, 1 for each glass, left and right. The top retainers, 1 for each side, left and right. The center retainer, just 1 in the middle that will secure both the left and right side. It was only the right passenger side glass that needed replacing, but I went ahead and replaced both the left and right windshield. The old seals looked pretty dated, so I went ahead and replaced them as well. I kept the old retainers since they appeared to be fine. After searching on the internet, I ordered the replacement parts from 2 different online sites, but I highly recommend you do your research because prices varies greatly from site to site. I've listed the part numbers below for your reference. Step 1. It's pretty straightforward to remove the old windshield. Just unscrew and remove the top and middle retainers. After that, push the old windshield outward. Be careful not to let it fall onto the hood and cause more damage. If you're going to replace both the left and right windshields, now's the time to remove them both. That way you can clean and vacuum both sides at the same time. Step 2. Make sure you thoroughly scrub and vacuum any dirt, dust, broken glass, etc. from the entire windshield framing. The last thing you want is to install your new windshield over a piece of broken glass and have them shatter while you're driving. By the way, during the cleaning process, I found a used shell casing lodged between the windshield and dashboard. That's gonna be a super cool souvenir. Step 3. Unpack the new windshield and slowly wrap the seal around the edges of the glass. Make sure you run your fingers around the edges several times to ensure the seal is firmly fitted and even with the glass. Once done, slowly put the glass back onto the windshield frame and secure the top retainer. Repeat the same for the other side. Once both sides are securely mounted with top retainers, you can now mount the center retainer. That's it, folks. Super easy and super simple to replace the windshield of a Humvee. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thanks, and see you again soon.